Here at Kubota, we have a large line of compact tractors, all in different sizes. And that's because for us, it's all about tailoring performance to fit the diverse needs of our customers. From tackling the basics to handling heavy-duty demands, our tractors scale up to match your requirements. As needs increase, so does the size. It's a perfect harmony between power and purpose. That brings us to Kubota's performance matched design philosophy. Our machines are made to meet high quality, reliability, and durability standards for longevity, efficiency, and maximum productivity. Now, let's talk about the heart of our equipment, the engine. We've been designing engines for over 100 years. A well-crafted diesel engine runs smoothly, quietly, stays cool. Our heavy external cast webs minimize vibration and help dissipate heat. Precision machining maximizes fuel efficiency while minimizing noise and vibrations. Our engines are so trustworthy and reliable that even other manufacturers in need of diesel engines, they call us. The transmission is another critical part of a compact tractor. Kubota has been designing and building HST transmissions for almost 50 years. Our HST comes with robust internal components inside a spacious casing capable of taming high torques. The result? Smooth operation, noise control, and heat management. These transmissions grant you speed and torque, tailored to your tasks, ensuring optimal performance. Kubota's front axle is also a testament to performance-matched design. Our drive lines channel high-speed, low-torque power to the front wheels, preserving its strength until it reaches the output hubs hidden within our front wheel rims. This boosts durability and efficiency, all enhanced by a bevel gear mechanism for better ground clearance and a tighter turning radius. Maneuvering through tight spaces is a breeze in a Kubota. This brings us to the back of the tractor. Our rear axles and axle housing are as strong and dependable as the rest of the machine. The rear axle housing is built with extra supports and attachment points to make it even stronger and better at staying cool. We also use large diameter rear axles and axle bearings, making our rear axle one of the toughest among different brands of compact tractors. It's all about giving you the best performance and durability. A tractor's true effectiveness lies in its implements. At Kubota, we engineer and build performance-matched implements that embody the same qualities as our tractors. Whether it's our front-end loader equipped with our one-of-a-kind dual-function valve or a three-point implement from our Land Pride team, you're guaranteed top-tier performance that's dependable. Kubota's commitment runs deep. Each component of our equipment is carefully designed, manufactured, and tested to deliver you quality, durability, and reliability.